बजे सरगम हर तरफ से गूंज बनकर देश राग, देश राग.
Desh Rag is the third of a trilogy that we made for Doordarshan Lok Seva Sanchar, and there was an unprecedented success just preceding it for Mile Sur Mera Tumhara.
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा.
This country is so diverse, and it has so much varied culture in every state. Every state has its own dance, its own musical instrument, its own genre of music. I thought that music and dance from every state can come together and be unified in such a way that it would be symbolic of the whole nation coming together as one nation. That is the concept behind it. Much like the concept of Mile Sur Mera Tumhara, just much more classical. Musically, a much more superior film, and to my mind, a more difficult film to make. It was the sum of so many contributions from so many masters in their art form. In fact, one of the contributors on this is Zakir Hussain. Zakir Bhai told me once, he has a school in America where he teaches, and he says, I use this film as an example to show my students what is the music and culture and instruments of India. He said, there's no better example than this film, Desh Rag. You know, it comes across as one source, one nation from where all this culture has sprouted. We thought, let's start with the lyrics. Vinod Sharma, the same author, to do again. And he came back this time with something much more beautiful. I think it's much more beautiful. It's much more poetic, I think. And what it means is that there is tune from all over this country. There's a tal from all over this country, which is coming together and becoming Desh Rag. Once we had these lyrics, we gave them to Bhimsen Ji. Bhimsen Ji decided to do it in Rag Desh, which is a rag well known in India. And he again came and sang it for about an hour. Now in this film, I have used edited versions of Bhimsen Ji's voice, some of it filmed on him, some of it the alaps filmed overlapping on others, and some of it coming in at the end on other states with uses vocals as background music. With this piece edited into different pieces, we had contacted again by using letters, faxes, phone calls, various people from all over the country in the field of classical music and classical dance. Those who agreed and who fit it into our schedule were given this piece of music which Bhimsen Ji had composed, and including Ravi Shankar Ji, including everybody that you see in the film, who have all been masters of their own instruments, and they've each composed their own piece. The only condition was try and do it on the same key, so they can be weaved together seamlessly. The late Vaidyanathan has done the little pieces for the dance music. The late Pandit Ravi Shankar Ji was the first to be given this track. He was living in Delhi in his bungalow. He gave us a date. We went there and we recorded him while he was playing it live. And he just played it and we filmed him for Again, you see, all classical musicians are not used to playing in limited number of seconds. They play in minutes, sometimes hours. So every musician we have filmed or recorded has done exactly that. And it's been beautiful because then I have the wonderful job of fitting it in, editing it together, cutting it down to the right size. One brief I was giving every musician as we filmed was, give me a version of the piece and then give me a piece at the end which is at a faster tempo on the same key, but which can be used as a sort of a jugalbandi between all of you, in which there's a sense of unison of everyone coming together, which would then culminate into a chorus and into our last strains of the national anthem, which was the format we had now set up for this trilogy. So all these takes were very, very long trolley takes. So we would get the entire music live on the spot and without cuts. That's what we did actually. One beautiful memory on this is filming the late Pandit Shiv Kumar Sharma ji on the banks of the Nagin Lake in Srinagar. Shikaras were passing in the background, and I mean there was a certain sense of bliss and peacefulness there. He then took me that evening into the back streets of Srinagar, where he had given a santoor on order to be made by the santoor maker, who had taken about 3 years to make his instrument. It was finally ready. So that beautiful instrument, with all its strings and all its intricacies and frets, is not just available out of a factory. Another very, very rare shot in this film is the shot we've done in the studio of Zakir Bhai and his father Allah Rakhaji playing together in the studio. They were both my neighbors. The families knew each other well. I fetched them, brought them to the famous studios, and they played completely improvised right through that shoot. That was brilliant. Actually, this whole film musically has been much more challenging than the earlier ones, because it's a whole lot of live recordings put together, very few studio recordings. Amjad Ali Khan, he had seen some pieces. He said, do something different for me. Surround me with children. I said, okay, that's great. He played not on the same key, but a slightly different key, which Louis Banks later bridged together in quite a brilliant way. Then there's Gulabo from Rajasthan. You know, she's an expert in Kalbelia, a Rajasthani dance. We filmed her in this beautiful sunset on the sand dunes, and she's traveled all over the world. She told us that she has danced for the Queen of England and was very proud of it. So we had all these people who were the very best in their field. Pratima Bedi was a friend, and I shot her in Juhu, just built a platform again at sunset on the sea just below her house where she lived. And she did this beautiful little piece for us. She was very famous those days because she had very quickly become an Odissi master, and she had opened a school in Bangalore for Odissi and Kalaripetu. The late Bal Murli Krishna was there. Again, he had been with us in Mysore, and this time we used him as a musician, playing his own little piece on a violin. At the end, we thought we'll wind up the film with the same format of children, candles to light for one another, and the whole thing dissolved into a flag made out of colored lights. And the film became 13 minutes.
बजे सरगम हर तरफ से गूंजे बनकर देश राग देश राग।
देश
बाजी उठे रे रे पमा चरणे बाजी बताणो झम झम अधरु झरिले एपरि राग अटई विख्यात से देश राग
స్వరములు పలికి దిశ దిశన కదలయల బద్ధమై జగాన ఆదరాల కదిలే మధురగా